Hey guys! Yes, we all have it. We have those tough spots that we just cannot get rid of. If it's on our arms, our legs, our hips, it's somewhere and we hate it. But don't worry, this is a natural remedy to help loosen up that cellulite and help flush it away out of your body. Now to begin, all you need is a mixing spoon, some organic peppermint tea, either loose or in the bag, ground coffee grains, and some cold coffee, vegetable glycerin or coconut oil, your preference, and some cling wrap. Now open up that peppermint tea bag or loose leaf tea. You want to do 1 tablespoon and the whole contents of the bag. Add a few drops of your vegetable glycerin, about 4 to 6 drops. Your cold coffee, and just mix that baby up good. Now apply the mixture to your designated area, either your arms, your thighs, any area of concern, just slap it on. Now pull your saran wrap tightly over your mixture. Make sure it's locking onto your skin. Leave it on for an hour, and then before you know it, you have smooth, supple, radiant, cellulite-free skin, people. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe and visit Artistic Brows and Beauty on Instagram. Leave your comments, and yeah, catch you next time.